getting my keto breakfast ready. Coffee. Oh, I have to put the coffee in there. Good morning, YouTube. It is 6:03, August 11th, Friday morning. I'm about to have breakfast. I have to pick up my friend in about 20 minutes, so I kind of have to multitask here. I'm on the ketosis diet because my last videos I was pretty porky, so I've got avocado, overripe avocado, a couple eggs, some cheese, salsa verde sauce, and a cup of freshly ground AeroPress coffee with a K for KG. Anywho, I noticed in my last video that there was a lot of fish catching, not a lot of talking, not a lot of narrative. Maybe that's a preferred method, but I was kind of thinking I kind of like Alex Perrick's AP Bassing's kind of things. I know those are more in the vlog fashion, and so maybe that's not really, I don't know, something that'll work for me. But I kind of wanted to make these a little bit more personal, with a little bit more of like my day-to-day life. Maybe because I'm narcissistic, or maybe because I just think it's sort of interesting, which I think it's interesting because maybe I'm sort of narcissistic. But I was just kind of thinking, like, you know, be more like the people that you admire, that you want to be like. And I really, you know, AP Bassing, Alex Perrick, I'm a big fan of his, so I'm going to try to work in a little bit more just like personal narrative into my things. So today I'm going to Malibu Creek State Park. A friend of mine said that there was good fishing there. I haven't seen much about it. There's a couple Yelp reviews that mention it, but I don't really know what's there. But I'm willing to make the trek. I have the day off, so I'm gonna pick up my friend and then drive about 45 minutes due west to check out the Malibu Creek State Park. I went there once for like a camping trip, but I've never been there to go fishing, and I've never even noticed enough water. So hopefully there'll be water, hopefully there'll be fish. I bought some worms. I don't know what else. I'm gonna try to bring my Acaso, a chest mount. It turns out this has like, it does come with a case option where it has a little case with little like little openings in the back. So hopefully that will allow in more sound. I don't know. Anywho, kind of tired, had a rough night. One of those, drank a little more than I wanted to, ended up with late night sushi, taco truck, you know, that kind of thing. So I ended up getting home close to 12. So I'm pretty sleepy, but hopefully that will not deter me. Okay, see you guys out more, you know, in the thing, like Hey guys, just arrived at Malibu Creek State Park. $12 entrance fee or parking fee. He says there's about a 30-minute walk to the lake. Here with my friend C, wearing some of my fishing garb. Alright, and alright, we'll see you guys on the water. Hopefully, yeah, see you at the water. Alright, so a 32-minute walk from the parking lot, there's this random lake called Century Lake. It's more like a little pond, but it looks really nice. There's nobody else here, but it's a little, it's a cute little pond. I don't know how we can access the edges, but there's, looks like that's where it dams up, so there's going to be some depth. Looks like there's some vegetation there, so maybe they're there for the shade. There's some lily pads right there. So, alright, we'll see what we can see.
Okay, at the lake, Caroline's got on a crawler on a bobber. We've been getting little bites, or that has. I'm gonna try a cast master just to cover some water. Anything? Oh, I got something. Oh, oh. Okay, that was
There's something.
there's something.
There's something. That was so fast too.
I know, it was right here.
I saw it. I was like,
Yeah.
oh shit.
I just didn't get a good hook set. But they're like, that means it's like right in this, it hit it like here.
Awesome. Don't have to go too far.
It's only a couple feet here.
Yeah?
Yeah, watch. Like if I just dump it, like see, it's like it fell.
Something did it. Fuck, they ate it.
It's all right. We'll put on another. Nice. All right, trying with the worm and bobber. The Castmaster got one guy, but nothing since. So the water has pretty poor visibility though, so I'm thinking maybe they can't see very far. So I might kind of move the worm around. Got one. Oh, it's a bluegill. Got a fat little bluegill. No, I got one. But he's a fat little bluegill. I'll show him to you. There we go. First fish. Oh, okay. No, it'll be fine. I gotta come down because I don't want to toss him too far. It's a bluegill? Or some sort of a, yeah, it's the kind they have in Echo Park, but this is pretty big.
Yeah, it's pretty fatty. You gonna weigh it?
No. Let me see if I can.
Pretty big.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get the hook out okay. Ooh. Alright, I need my pliers. I'm gonna leave them in the water, but I'm gonna get my pliers. Okay, there's gills in the water. Alright, trying again. Let the bluegill go. It was pretty big, but let's go for some bass. Caroline, you need to catch one. I think they're in really shallow water. I'm getting nibbles in like 2 feet of water. Got a little one. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, he got on a worm. You want to try over here? Ah! It's pretty nice. Maybe. Can't tell. Oh good, he got hooked right easy. Oops. Alright, see a bluegill. Yeah, they're like in super shallow water. No, I just hooked something. I thought it was a bluegill, but the way it's diving. Oh my gosh. Caroline?
Wow!
Oh shoot, it's like a catfish.
It's amazing!
Oh shit, it's a catfish.
It's the biggest fucking fish that I've seen you catch.
Yeah, this is definitely a record, but
You want me to use your, I think yours is fine.
I was not looking to catch a catfish.
Oh shit.
I've never caught a catfish before.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't want to touch your
I don't
butt.
even know.
Oh shit.
I don't even know how to like unhook him.
What do you mean? Is there like a special thing?
I don't know. I don't want to touch.
Do you think that's the one?
I don't know. He was like way under here though. Okay. All right, dude. All right. Sorry. I'm just making you suffer. Okay, dude. Oh, no wonder you kept diving. Yikes. Got in the edge of his mouth. Do you see this? Well, this is definitely the biggest freshwater fish I've ever caught. I don't know how to unhook you because I don't want to touch you because you're fucking creepy.
I think you're just gonna, you know, do it the way you always do, no?
Oh my gosh, I look.
Your face? That is a catfish, no?
Yeah, that's a catfish. It's got like whiskers and everything. Okay, so alright. Alright, I'm gonna put him down and then unhook him and then just kind of like kick him inside the water, I think. Or just, you know.
Throw him back with dignity.
Sorry, dude. Okay. Okay.
Oh shit, he's fucking moving.
I know, he's quite alive. I caught a catfish on accident. I thought it was a bluegill. Okay. Oh, he feels so weird. All right, bye, dude. Oh, that was intense. I didn't know there were catfish in here. Like, how did they even get here? It's weird. Okay, cool. Okay, so that was fun. Catching my first catfish. Let him go. It's kind of weird. I don't know how deep this water is, but there's definitely stuff here. Caught my bluegill here. Caught my catfish here. I wonder if there's bass here. Got one. Oh my gosh, is this the same one? Caroline, I think I caught the same one.
No way.
Unless it's like the dumbest catfish in the world. Unless there's just like 100 catfish here.
No way. No way. Okay. Well then, this means that we need to get a better photograph.
No, this is lighter. Okay, Caroline, time for you to catch a catfish.
What the hell? That was awesome. I think your phone might be better, but I'll take a picture.
Okay, thanks. Oh yeah, this is a baby one.
Oh yeah, it's much smaller.
It's definitely
Much
smaller.
But you're at the sun.
Do you want to? You should go for one of these. These are fun.
No, but the sun isn't. So it's like
Puh, puh.
okay.
F&B.
Okay, I think I got it. But you look gangsta with your little hoodie.
What the fuck is that on the bottom of its mouth? Is that like whiskers?
time it's janky.
Dude, Caroline, there's so many catfish in here.
Look at it. It's like it's been. Oh, is that dirt?
Yeah, that's just dirt.
Crazy. Two. Then the one that's like doing that, I bet you.
Maybe it was a catfish.
Yeah, like it's like pulling on. Oh, its mouth is so big, it freaks me out.
Oh, this is such a weird feel. Do you want to touch this?
No, it's like a baby or something.
You totally. Oh my gosh, that's the biggest catfish of them all.
Why is it so fucking heavy?
Okay, turn your drag a little.
I don't know how.
See the tip of the.
I'm gonna break the rock.
No, you're not.
I'm going to break the rock. Holy shit.
You're good. It's not gonna break.
Oh my god.
Okay, you just have to turn this a little bit. You got the biggest catfish, dude.
I've ever seen in my
Alright,
life.
keep reeling.
I'm trying. I'm so tired.
Dude, he's a giant.
Oh my god, my arm's gonna break.
It's not gonna break.
This rod's gonna break.
It's not gonna break. Just keep reeling.
I'm trying. It doesn't want to come on. I'm not an elevator. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Shh, calm down. Okay, alright.
My arm hurts.
Hey YouTube, it's Sunday night, 10:30. I'm gonna see if I could get this video posted. For the first time, I basically watched all my footage and then edited it prior to this outro. So I have to say I'm sorry for all the profanity. Yeah, who knew? I mean, I'm calling it Catfish in Calabasas mostly for the alliteration, but Malibu Creek State Park is just down the street from Calabasas. It's the nearest major city, so I don't think it's a complete misnomer. But yeah, I was, as you could tell, very surprised to find that there was so many catfish. The bluegill, I wasn't so surprised, but I was a little surprised that I couldn't catch any bass. But yeah, check out Malibu Creek State Park. $12 parking fee, 30-minute walk down. No bathroom facilities at the lake, so pack in, pack out. But it's a great place to go. It was a little bit warm while I was there, but I can imagine it would be pretty nice when it's a little bit cooler. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know if I should be including as much about my diet and breakfast as I did, but if you don't mind, let me know. If you do mind, let me know. I can make this strictly fishing if you'd like. Okay, I hope you have a good night, and I hope this posts before midnight today, because I'd like to sleep very soon. I have to get up at work at like 5:15. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching as always, and see you out on the water.